The 5-minute money transformation. From broke to building wealth. What if I told you that the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and building real wealth isn't your salary? It's these 5 simple money moves that take less than 30 minutes to set up. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to transform your financial life. I'm about to share the exact system that helped thousands of people go from financial stress to financial freedom. This isn't about extreme budgeting or giving up your morning coffee. This is about working smarter, not harder, with your money. And the best part? You can start today, even if you're starting with zero. The emergency fund. First, let's talk about your financial foundation. Before you even think about investing, you need a $1,000 emergency fund. Why? Because life happens. Your car breaks down, your phone dies, unexpected medical bills. Without this buffer, you'll keep going into debt every time life throws you a curveball. Here's the fastest way to build it. List everything you own that you don't need. That gaming console collecting dust? The clothes with tags still on? Sell them. Pick up a weekend side hustle. Skip eating out for a month. This isn't forever. It's just until you hit that $1,000 safety net. The debt avalanche. Next, we're going to destroy your debt using the Avalanche Method. List all your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Make minimum payments on everything, but throw every extra dollar at that highest rate debt. Here's a game changer. Call your credit card companies right now and ask for a lower interest rate. Say, I've been a good customer and I'm considering transferring my balance to a card with a lower rate. Can you help me with a better rate? 60% of people who ask get a reduction. That's free money back in your pocket. For student loans, look into income-driven repayment plans. For credit cards, consider a balance transfer to a 0% APR card. But here's the key. Don't just pay minimums. If you can pay $200 extra per month on a $5,000 credit card debt, you'll save over $2,000 in interest and pay it off 3 years faster. Automate your way to wealth. Here's where most people mess up. They try to budget their way to wealth. But willpower fails. Automation wins. Set up automatic transfers the day after payday. Here's your formula. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, groceries, utilities. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, dining out, hobbies. 20% goes to savings and debt payments. But here's the secret sauce. Automate that 20% first, and before you even see it. Open a high-yield savings account. You should be earning at least 4 to 5% right now, not the 0.01% your big bank is giving you. Set up automatic transfers. $100 for emergency fund, $200 for debt payments, $100 for retirement. Adjust these numbers based on your income, but make them automatic. The investing game changer. Once you have your emergency fund and high-interest debt is gone, it's time to build wealth. And here's the beautiful truth. You don't need to be a stock market genius. You just need to understand compound interest. If you invest $200 per month in a diversified index fund averaging 7% annual returns, you'll have over $250,000 in 30 years. Start with your employer's 401k, especially if they match contributions. That's free money. Max out that match first. Can't afford $200? Start with $25. The key is starting. Use apps like Acorns or Stash to invest your spare change. Open a Roth IRA and invest in low-cost index funds like VTIX or FXAIX. Don't try to time the market. Don't pick individual stocks. Just consistent automatic investing in diversified funds. The wealth-building mindset. Here's what wealthy people know that broke people don't. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. Start tracking your net worth monthly. Use apps like Mint or Personal Capital to see everything in one place. Look for ways to increase your income. Ask for a raise. Research shows people who ask get a 7% increase on average. Develop a side hustle. Learn high-income skills online. But remember, more income means nothing if you just spend more. Think long-term. That $5 coffee habit costs you $2,800 per year. Invested at 7% returns, that's $87,000 over 30 years. I'm not saying never buy coffee, but be intentional about where your money goes. Look, personal finance isn't rocket science, but it is a skill that will change your life. You now have the exact blueprint. Build that emergency fund. Destroy debt strategically. Automate everything. Invest consistently. Think long-term. The difference between people who build wealth and those who don't isn't luck or a high salary. It's taking action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Even if it's just $10 into a savings account or calling your credit card company for a better rate, your future self will thank you. And remember, the best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. If this video helped you, wait until you see my next one where I reveal the 7 side hustles that can make you an extra $1,000 per month. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Drop a comment below and tell me which money move you're going to implement first. Let's build wealth together.